Today, I just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the fact that probate's not always necessary. Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt, the owner of DeWitt Law Firm, where we do great estate planning. An estate plan starts with a conversation. Start your conversation now by going to planwithgary.com. I had a client come in just yesterday that needed to know if their mother's estate was going to need probated. She had passed away over the weekend and told them she had left instructions, but they really didn't have anything else to go on. After talking to them for a bit, we discovered that there was a house and a few bank accounts. They're going to check the bank accounts to see if they were set up to pass outside of probate. If they are, then no probate will be needed. Then I went and pulled the latest deed to the house to see if it had been set up to pass outside of probate, and the deed had been set up. So the house stays out of probate as well. So even though she only had a will, which requires probate, she had done other planning to keep her estate out of probate. But even if her estate had required the probate, we could have done what's called a small estate affidavit. Because there was only the house she lived in and under $100,000 in bank accounts and no debts, we could have filed this affidavit and saved a lot of time and money. The basic requirements for the affidavit are that 45 days have passed since the death. There's under $100,000 of cash and other assets, and the house that you lived in. Also, you need to make sure there's no debts and that they don't owe anything to Medicaid or the Department of Human Services. If all these conditions are met, you can file the affidavit. If there's real estate involved, it does have to be advertised in the newspaper for 3 months to allow any creditors to come forward. Once that 3 months is over, then you simply write a deed from the affidavit to the new owners of the house, and it's theirs. The other accounts transfer almost immediately. I hope this helps you out understanding when probate's needed and when it's not. I'm Gary DeWitt with the DeWitt Law Firm, where we do great estate planning. Remember, estate planning starts with a conversation. Start your conversation now at planwithgary.com.